Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable open access in Google Meet. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open a preferred web browser and type in meet.google.com. Once you do that, you have to start a new meeting because this feature is only available to the host. Now once you do that, share the link, give the code, then on your screen, you can see options like audio and video settings, captions, reactions, presentation, raise hand, and more options here at the bottom. Now, on the bottom right corner, you can see other options like meeting details, participants, chat, activities, and host controls. You have to go to host controls. Well, you should know this. Enabling open access in Google Meet can make it easier for participants to join your meetings without needing approval, but it's kind of less secure, so be careful. Now tap on host controls. You can see meeting access type. All you have to do is select open. Then you don't have to approve any participant to join your meeting. And guys, that's it. That's how you enable open access in Google Meet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.